Hey everybody, it's me. So, I got 3 new subscribers I'd like to shout out to. Uh, Nuno Rodriguez, Paul Pinelli, and Rick Nolan. Let's see, also a shout out to Dutart. Thank you for watching my videos, and like I said, shout out for you as well. Alright, click on that. So, I'm just going to go ahead and chug some for Loko. Also, if you guys like video games, check out my game playthroughs. I got a playlist of them. I just started playing Dragon Age. It's pretty cool so far. Really story in depth at the moment, though. But anyways, this is really cold. I just got back from the store. Fucking wasp decided it'd be funny to sting me as I got out of the car. Little bastard. There once was a story about and they like to go. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time. We're getting closer to the 300 subscribers. I need about 6 more, and then we're good. Alright, later.